and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this super cute cottagecore dress. It's very cute. Anyways, to start, let me just remove everything so you guys know what I wore. Oh my gosh. Be quiet, dogs. I'm trying to do a tutorial here. I don't have a dog, it's my neighbors, if you can hear that even. But you'll need to go to the code section and you do need this item here. This one. Do just color. I'm just going to do a different color for you guys here. Maybe yellow. But like this like pastel yellow. Let's save that. Like that. And then we do need these sleeves. You can color it to any color you want, by the way. I'm just going to color it white. And then I'm going to go to the VIP section. Forgot to mention that at the beginning. I'm sorry, alright? I will put it, where's the top? I'm trying to find the top. Oh, here. I keep forgetting where everything is. I'm sorry. Color the first one white, and then the second color the color palette that you chose. I'm just going to do yellow, obviously. And then I'm gonna do this. I don't know what it's called. Select no fur, just no fur only. And then make sure it's matte, and then you're going to color some parts yellow, some parts white. So this one is white actually, sorry. And then the second one is yellow. I'm gonna do again matte. And then I'll do matte again, and then matte yellow, and then matte yellow. Should look something like this. That's what I'm trying to say. Then for the like stockings, you will need this one, but like you can use anything else that you'd like to. I'm just going to make it like a lighter yellow though, like this shade. And then for the shoes, you can use the like yellow shoes, but I want to put it on white on mine and on matte as well. And then the rest, I'm gonna just color it matte white. And if you'd like to, you can use these shoes for like an extra height and like more thickness, I guess. But that is it. That's how you can create this super cute cottagecore dress. Coquette, whatever you want to call it. I think I meant to say coquette. I don't know why I said cottagecore, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.